News. Does my mustache look alright? No! Hey! News King breaks. A rogue citizen has been caught committing a terrible crime. Villager number 2 is on the scene. Thank you, Villager number 1. I'm standing where the incident took place earlier today. We have footage of a camera mounted on that roof. Hello. It was just a normal day in that roof until that camera ensured his complete taste for our footage. Hello. Stop! You have footage of the law. Stop right there, camera scum! This was quickly followed by a high-speed chase caught on camera by a high-speed helicopter. It looks like quite a situation down there. Look at him go! Go! Ranger! Oh, he in trouble now. The police are everywhere. Are you seeing this?
No!
Stop! Okay.